Rice is nourishing, filling and inexpensive, making it an excellent food for people of any budget. It's at the heart of so many different global diets and culinary traditions. You can cook rice in a standard pot, but you likely live a busy life and can't spend too much time perched over a pot like a gargoyle. Making rice in a rice cooker is far easier and requires much less of your attention. There are many products available to best rice cooker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Aroma Housewares ARC 914 Solomon Islands Dollars Digital Cool Touch Rice Grain Cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a delectable cake, you can accomplish it all with your rice cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. User-friendly programming. Easy to use with 4 preset digital functions and automatic keep warm mode when the cooking is finished. Nutritious and delicious, the built-in steam function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above while rice, soup, or any other meal simultaneously cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. 15-hour delay timer. The programmable delay timer is great for families on the go, delivering delicious meals ready when they're needed, up to 15 hours in advance. Number 2. Zajirashi, made in Japan Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. 5-1 divided by 2 cup computerized rice cooker and warmer with advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. Wall mountable. Multi-menu selections, automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheat cycles. Electrical rating 120 volts divided by 680 watts. Spherical, non-stick inner pan allows for uniform heating. LCD clock and timer, retractable cord. Menu settings include white, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. Number 3. Zajirashi and STSC 10 5-1 divided by 2 cup Micom rice cooker and warmer. Micro computerized fuzzy logic technology. Capacity up to 5.5 cups divided by 1.0 liter. Dimensions 10-1 divided by 8x 14x 8-1 divided by 2 inches. The electrical rating is 120 volts divided by 610 watts. Automatic keep warm, extended keep warm and reheating cycle. Easy to clean clear coated stainless steel exterior, 2 delay time settings. Interchangeable melody and beep signal. Built-in retractable power cord. Number 4. Zajirashi NHS 1810 cup rice cooker. Cooks rice and keeps it warm up to 5 hours. Use also to steam seafood and vegetables and to cook custards and eggs. Measuring cup and serving spatula included. Uses 600 watts of power. 9-1 divided by 4 inches high to lid knob. 13 inches in diameter, including handles. Note: please ensure to measure rice in the cup that comes along with the product only. Capacity is measured in the approx. 6 ounces, divided by 180 milliliters rice measuring cup, using raw short grain white rice. Other grains may vary. Number 5. Zajirashi NSRPC 10FJ rice cooker and warmer. Easy one-touch operation with automatic keep warm system. Triple heater generates ideal temperature for tasty rice. Detachable and washable inner lid. Easy to clean non-stick coated inner pan. Hinged lid with easy to open handle.